That's riding insane! I'm Broly, out on the streets, training her again, doing some wild things, some goofy things, some Gucci things. But one thing I'll say, this is, I believe, our 4th ride on the beast Broly. We're still training her. I know you guys might not like these videos that I'm me just riding around, not fooling around, but just talking. But it's a part of the process, all right? It's a part of the process. So one thing I have to mention, something that I feel like should have been kind of getting better by now, is the quick shifter. Auto blipper is perfect, but the quick shifter, every single time I go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they're all smooth besides one gear change. So either from 1st to 2nd or from 2nd to 3rd, it always clunks where I have to hit it twice. Like first time I push it and it feels like it's stuck. Then I have to hit it again and then it goes in. Sometimes it happens right off the bat from 1st to 2nd, or sometimes it happens from 2nd to 3rd. Rarely it happens from 3rd to 4th. So I feel like I was breaking the quick shifter in, but after about 300 miles on this hoe, on Broly, I feel like that should have been fixed by now. That should have been broken in by now. But it's okay. It's okay. Once we get the 600-mile service done on this beast, I want to be taking it to the dealership. I'm not going to be doing the service on the bike until after the 600 miles. And even then, I'll only be doing like oil changes, oil filter changes. Everything else will still be done by Ducati. But I'll mention to them about the quick shifter, how it lags on just one of the shifts. But there's a few things I want them to look at. Nothing bad on the bike yet. And the quick shifting thing isn't bad on the bike either, because one thing you guys got to understand is that the quick shifter, although you can short shift a quick shifter, like shift in like low RPMs, you can do that. It's perfectly fine. But it's not made for that. It's made for higher RPMs, from my understanding. And my understanding is word from God, ish, not totally, but ish. I need to see if I can fix it within a couple miles. Maybe I'll be once I get home, I'll be checking the bolts and stuff. Maybe something's too tight, or maybe something's too loose. Shouldn't be a case though, because other gear changes are perfect. So what we'll do is see, now it didn't do it. Higher RPMs, it doesn't do it. So maybe it's just that I'm short shifting the bike, which is something that needs to be done during the break-in period. So I apologize for the last couple of videos with Broly. The camera angle wasn't that good. It was a little too high. I accidentally, my hand slipped off my helmet and it landed on my bed and it pushed the GoPro back. So I tried to fix it again and it looked right on the preview on my app when I was looking at the GoPro, connecting it to the Wi-Fi and checking out the angle. Everything looked good. But then all of a sudden, it just when I was out riding, it wasn't as good as I thought it would be. So fixed it. You guys will still have to bear through those videos, but hopefully now it looks a lot better. Because the whole point of having a POV angle is that you guys need to see the meat. This already shows you the main meat, but this one needs to show you the meat that's happening over here. Otherwise, it just looks weird. A lot of people have their angles so high, it looks so stupid. Like, I don't want to see just the world, I want to see the bike. That's why I'm on the channel. The motovlogger, but plus the bike that he's riding. Otherwise, if it was just for the personality, I'd be watching Harley riders. And we don't watch Harley riders. They say weird. They're just a little weird. It doesn't happen when so yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the thing, where I'm just shifting a little short shift in it, so maybe that's why it's happening. I don't trust your Prius, you might just pull right back out. What's poppin', son? I've been listening to that song Ice Cream Man by Tyga. He really made a comeback, man. He really did make a comeback with his career. Alright, so let's see, the shifting, downshift, they're fuego, they're perfect. Ooh, mamma mia, hell yeah. Last time we were out here, we had no luck, and we were getting all sorts of traffic over and over again. So let's see if today our luck will change. What's poppin', son? Because I would love to do a hard run. But before the hard run, we're gonna look out for Mr. Popo. Just running firing really well. My loins are currently burning because of not being able to rip this bike up yet. I want to feel Broly in all her glory. So no ice cap mountains today. Everything's drying up. But that doesn't mean that we don't have some beautiful scenery. We have some amazing scenery. Hopefully you guys can see the bike in the camera angle, man. It hurts when you go out and ride and the camera angle's all effed up and you're like, what the hell, man? The whole ride is basically useless. This bike is so flickable, it is just, I haven't ridden Nimbus in a while, so I can't compare. Even though the last bike I rode was Nimbus, it wasn't Nimbus. The last bike I rode wasn't Nimbus. It was the R6. Like before, I've been riding this continuously, but before that it was the R6, and then it was the S1, it was Nimbus. No. So last bike I rode was this bike, but last time I rode another bike that wasn't a V4, that wasn't Broly, was Kakarot. Before Kakarot it was Nimbus, and then it was Kakarot again. But yeah. Sorry, I had to get that right. I had to get it right. Fourth gear pull. Hopefully no construction is happening because they do it around here. You just gotta take it easy once and then. But the thing is that I can take it easy, but like right now there's nobody here at all in front of me on my lane. I could have so much fun, but I don't know about Mr. Popo. Mr. Popo from Dragon Ball Z could be lurking. So fun to ride. Broly, I love you so much. Look at this, nobody in front of me, but I have to take it nice and easy. I hope you guys are enjoying all that raw footage I'm throwing at your mouths. I cannot believe this road is open and I can't rip. For some reason there's like a gap in the visor or whatever. For some reason whenever I'm at a certain angle, it hits air right on my tooth, and one of my tooth gets really cold and it feels weird. I don't know how we got so lucky, man. No! No! Can you please gun it? Come on, man. Why did I have to say that? Jinx my own ass. Plus, it's super nice weather. I thought it would be cold. And, like, it is not as cold as I thought it would be. And I'm wearing a hoodie and tights and all sorts of stuff. And I don't need any of that. We thanked them. Oh God, it smells so bad here. smells like ass. Oh my god. Oh, can't concentrate. That was fun. It wasn't the... We had to do a little scouting, you know what I mean? But it was fun. I don't think we'll ever get a road like that again. That open. Not on a weekday for sure. But I would have loved that. I want to thank that Range Rover for being a boss. Because it meant a lot to me, man. It meant a lot.